Hey guys, Kira with Crafty Cosplay here, and I've got a whole new series of tutorials to share with you from my new Madame Olivia from Sea of Thieves Cosplay. Be sure to check out the playlist in the description for all the videos and stay tuned for future ones. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created the glowing orb as seen in the Forsaken Shores trailer. I started off with this large plastic ball ornament. It's the 140mm size, and I bought it off of Amazon. Taking some fine grit sandpaper, I sanded the insides of both pieces. This helps cloud it up and gives a better surface for the paint to stick to. To color it, I used Plaid's Fabric Creations paint in the poppy and real yellow colors. Regular acrylic paint would also work for this. I made sure to use water with the paint so that the orb remains semi-translucent. Applying the paint in circular motions to get the swirling effect, I coated the whole thing with red before putting some yellow in the center. Then on some black poster board, I drew and cut out two silhouettes of a volcano. Now, for the next part, I tried a variety of things, but wound up just taping the volcano cutouts to the top of the orb pieces. Then I took some red tulle and stuffed it into each half in front of the cutouts. This LED light came from Amazon and was the perfect way to light my orb. You can turn it on and off by remote, dim or brighten the light, as well as change the color of it. I wasn't sure if I wanted to use this for another project, so I didn't glue it down, but simply placed it carefully inside the orb. You can definitely attach it permanently if you wish. Then I simply added more tulle and closed the orb pieces together. After a lot of trial and error trying to figure out how to attach the volcano cutouts, this was the easiest way to get the look I wanted. And that's all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and check me out on social. Also, feel free to have a look at all the other Sea of Thieves cosplay tutorials in the playlist linked below. See you in the next video!